Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a voice AI agent that is able to check their calendar and then book an appointment. I know there are a lot of videos already available online, but this one is little different since we'll be using tools rather than function. So, like as you might know, the Vapi they have recently depreciated the functions and now focusing on tools. And so let's go on and let me show you a demo.
Hello, thanks for calling I2Flow. How can I help you?
Hey, I'm looking to book an appointment.
Great. Can I have your name? And do you have a specific day or date in mind for the appointment?
Yeah, my name is Gary, and I'm looking to have something for today at 7 p.m.
Nice to meet you, Gary. Could I get your email address to confirm the booking?
Yeah, it's Gary at gmail.com.
Thanks, Gary. Just to confirm, your email is gary@gmail.com, correct?
Yes, correct.
One moment. It looks like the 7 p.m. slot is taken. How about 6:30 p.m. or 8 p.m. instead?
Yeah, can you do 6:30 p.m. then?
One moment. You're all set for 6:30 p.m. today, Gary. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Gary. Have an amazing day.
So as you can see, the AI was able to check the calendar and see that this time and this time slot was booked and only this was available. So let me show you how I did that. So now let's go over on how to set up tools. So as you can see here, I have for this agent two necessary tools. One is check availability and the other is booking an appointment. So all you have to do is come to the tools section, create a new tool, make.com, put your webhook link, press next, save it, press next, and then the property name. Property name is going to be date and time. Basically the date and time would like to book an appointment. For example, you can say like you know today at 5 p.m. next Wednesday. Just give it an example. Next Wednesday at 4 p.m. and then save it. And then I already have it saved, so I'm not gonna do anything. You can see date and time, for example, blah blah blah, and then you're gonna go to make. Now let's go over the make scenario for checking the availability. First, I want to showcase this. So the only difference between the function and a tool is that how it receives the response. So for a tool, a response needs to be in this format. So you'll get the tool ID from here, and then you'll get the result from result is whatever you want the AI to say. So in this case, all the time slots are available between this time and this time. That's the only difference between the tool and function. So now let's see this scenario. So first we have the webhook. The webhook gets the information from the tool. In our case, it gets the time. The time was today at 7 p.m. And then we have this ChatGPT module, which will convert the time into the format that Google Calendar understands. So this format, just to make sure to change the time zone into your time zone, and also change the time zone here from Vancouver to whatever time zone you guys have. And also make sure in your make.com organization and in scenario settings, your time zone is the correct time zone that you guys are in. That's very important, very, very important. Here's a quick video snippet to show you how to make sure you have the right time zone on make.com. So you go to your profile, and over here, profile setting, make sure the time zone is correct. Then time zone option. Here you can see the time zones. Make sure these are correct.
Yeah.
And here, like you see, this is the result. And now you need to parse it. So we'll use just JSON to parse it, and this will have separate the start time and end time. And then you can use this start time and end time in the next module to get all the busy slots. So this is the free busy information Google Calendar API, and then it will give us the busy slots. From there, if there are no like busy slots, then it will just go here and it will say that all time slots are available. If there are busy slots, then it will go to this iterator and then form a bundle. From there, we need to create a JSON from this value and then make sure this is the format of the JSON. Make sure to get this and then save it. As you can see, this is the output that this JSON will produce. And now from this output, we need to convert it into something that like AI will be able to tell. So you'll be provided busy slots, and here just to make sure change the time zones. And then you can see this is the output that is like gives that for this day this is the result. And as you can see from the webhook response, like this busy time slots are, so the results we get from there. Yeah. So from here, now let's go to back to Vapi, and I'll show you guys the like this prompt. I'll like also paste this on my Discord, so you can just copy it and just paste this into your AI agent, and it should work. If you're having any trouble, just let me know. I'll try to fix it. So just copy paste this into an AI agent, and from here, just check the book appointment tool. So connect it with make.com, a separate make.com, like make.com scenario. And then these are properties: name of the client, email of the client, like why they want to book an meeting, and date and time. So this is important. So they and client will like to book an appointment, and make sure to have this, like this is the correct format with your time zone.
Also, just going to showcase how to add the tools in your AI model. So from your AI, just go to functions, and here just select the tools. So here I have these selected, and yeah, after selecting tools, just publish, and it should work.
Now let's go to the make.com. So here in this make.com scenario, this is connecting to the book appointment tool. So it will receive all the the parameters: the name, email, description, date and time. And then this is a Google Calendar. It will create an event. I'll show you how it is. And from this webhook, the response is going to be like the appointment has been booked successfully, like if it's booked. And then I've also connected with a Twilio, so it will send a message that thank you for booking an appointment, just and this is how this scenario looks like. So this is a Google Calendar. You can personalize it however you want. So in this case, meeting with the name. This is the start date and duration 30 minutes. This is description, and this is the name of the attendee and the email attendee. So they will automatically receive an email, and then a Google Meet video conference meeting is already added, so you don't have to do anything. And from here, you can see this is the result in the same format that tool tool understand. And then we have the Twilio, which is connected with the number, and then this is the message, just like any message. Yeah, so I think I've gone over everything. It is similar as what other people are doing. The only difference I'd say is that how the webhook response is in this format. And I was also want to shout out to Sunava for creating the initial template, and I was just able to update it and improve on it a little bit. So yeah, if you guys have any question or have any doubts, just message me on Discord, and I'll be able to help you guys. Yeah, take care. Peace.